Today I'm going to show you healthy salad where no cooking required. Salads are very healthy part of diet. Vegetable salads keeps you young and your skin glow all the time. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special capsicum salad with mushrooms. Take 200 grams of capsicum and cut into long thin pieces. Here I'm using green capsicum 40 grams, red capsicum 50 grams and yellow 60 grams. You can change the color and quantity of the capsicum according to your availability. Or you can use only one color capsicum, 200 grams. Red and yellow capsicum will have sweet taste than green capsicum and best suitable for salads. Green capsicum has slightly bitter taste, so here I'm using it in small amount. After cutting capsicum, take 4 to 5 spring onion and chop them finely. Now take 100 grams of mushrooms, cut them into half or quarter pieces, or you can use them without cutting. Here I'm using pickled mushrooms. For pickled mushrooms recipe, please check the link in description below. You can use fried mushrooms as well. Now take 4 to 5 garlic pieces and cut as small as possible. Garlic flavors the salad and will help to increase the taste. Now in a mixing bowl, drop mushrooms, spring onion, capsicum, (30 ml) of olive oil, chopped garlic, half teaspoon cumin powder, pink salt to taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well all the ingredients. That's it. Our tasty healthy vegetarian salad is ready. Enjoy the healthy salad.